the lack of snow on the ground, and the fact that it's super bright and sunny out in the morning indicates I'm not in Michigan. I'm down in Tennessee, which is quickly becoming one of my favorite places to be. So I'm down here for about a week, accomplishing several things. Today, what we're getting done is ripping the X3 for the first time in like 4 months. So I'm staying with my friend and best tuner, Matt Sanford. We're heading up to Blue Holler today. It's in Kentucky. It's about an hour and 45 minutes from where we're staying. And we've got some familiar faces that are going to be joining us today. And maybe some familiar machines that you guys may have seen before elsewhere. But we'll get to that right now. We're going to hop in the truck and make the hour and 45 minute drive up there. And I'm excited for today. This is going to be really cool. Like I said, been a long time since I've been riding. Also kind of getting over a cold. So I'm sorry. I know some people say I'm nasally to begin with. I'm extra nasally right now. Very sorry about that. But we're just going to go and have a good time today. And hopefully not break some stuff, but probably break some stuff. I've heard this place can be kind of tough on machines, so we'll see what happens. We got a few going up with us. Hopefully all few of them drive out. Well, we made it here. That's always a good thing. Got to unload the machine off the trailer. So far I see a lot of big fields. There's some trees. It's not 100% obvious to me what is exactly here. I haven't done a ton of research on this place. Just been told it's really cool, so that's really all that mattered to me. So we'll unload this machine, wait for the other people to show up, and then go for a little cruise and see what we can find. Oh yeah, that's a familiar looking unit there.
The camera's in your face, then you gotta figure out something to
Yeah,
talk about. So,
yeah, what are you doing?
What are we talking about this time?
I don't know. You made it here. I thought you might have rolled. It took you a while to get here.
It did. I had to, actually I don't have any good excuse of why we're running behind other than we stopped at Subway to get lunch.
Oh, we stopped at Burger King, so we should be the ones that are behind, but
Yeah.
Moving on. So what do you know about this place?
Not really a whole lot. There's a lot of high-speed trails.
Oh, there is?
That's about it. Or what I've been on is high-speed.
Oh, okay. I thought you were joking. I didn't think there was high-speed anything down this part of the country.
No, we did, we raced here 2.5 years ago, so for a series called Renegade, and first place I ever won a race, first place I ever won a race. They had a course set up over here. They've got like a motocross track, and then there was like a 6-mile lap through the woods.
Oh, okay.
I think we did 20 laps in an hour and a half. Like it was real fast paced stuff.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
we're about to find out though. I think there's a bunch of cool caves and stuff here. So
I heard that. I'm
we can
excited
find
to
all
see the
those.
cave, yeah. Well, this thing's looking good. You got it back together. All the right parts on there, kind of, right?
It's exactly the same way it was when we left the lake bed, other than a quick bath. So
Nice.
I did turn the front two tires around. So now we got the little square edge on this side. It'll give us plenty of traction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Unload it and let's see what's out there. Made about 10 minutes into this trail and we found the first obstacle I think I'm going to try. I've seen stuff like this before. I've tried very mild versions of it. This one doesn't look too crazy, but I mean, it's steep. Just take a look. Yeah, video never really does angles justice, but it's yeah, I don't know. It's probably a 45, I would say. What do you think? 45?
Let me have the camera, and you can slide down on your butt. And you can
Hey, how about I'm already holding the camera? Why don't you just slide down?
Okay.
No? Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna get in the X3. I'm gonna try it, I think.
How'd that feel?
That was gravy. Are you gonna do it now or what?
I'm your cameraman for today.
What? All right, Cody's gonna try it next. That's what I like to see. He's gonna go down though. No problem. He's got to hit it faster than I do, I feel. Low speed attempt. Oh boy.
That's sketchy.
I don't know, man. That didn't look like 50 to me.
Yeah, no, it turns out slow is not going to go with that. Not in this right now.
Well, that was cool. I don't know. I want to try it faster. I don't know.
Hit it.
I think.
Do it.
All right. Faster? All right, first casualty of the day, unfortunately. Cooler mounts. Yeah, they're gone. So we're gonna head back to the truck and dump that and get back on the trails. But we're starting to get into the area that has some cool stuff, so we'll be back shortly. Try and drop down there? Yep. How's it look? No big deal.
For those of you that can't tell, that's probably a good solid, I don't know, 5-foot drop off in the hole. Stair stepping up to maybe like a 4-footer.
All right, Cody's gonna be coming down. This will be a fun climb up. Easy, easy. All right, I think we found the cave. Cody's doing over there, but this cave is, I don't know, maybe this is a cave. I think it would be called a cave, but this thing is nuts, whatever it is. There's a waterfall going over there. There's Cody. Yeah, I still don't know what he's doing. Look at this thing. Jeez, oh man. I mean, there's the X3 for perspective. I'm just gonna take a walk down here. Man, the scenery I've seen so far this year, it's crazy. Look at this thing. Jeez, oh man. It's just nuts. Like, look at, just from perspective, look at the X3. Crazy. Just a super cool place, man. I mean, we haven't even done a ton of riding, but this was, I think, one of the big things here, the sand cave. And it is sweet. The video's not going to do it justice how massive this thing is. But we'll continue on, see what else I got here. Well, we made it to this little hill climb area. Cody's up there checking it out. I think I might take a little jog up there and see what it's like. Maybe hit it in the X3. Well, Cody just went up it pretty easily. I've never really been the hill climb guy, but hey, we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll just floor it up it. We'll see. More rocks, turns out. They're everywhere. So this place is super cool. Blue Holler Offroad, highly recommend it. We're heading back to the truck right now. We're gonna refuel, replenish our bodies, and then we're gonna head back out for a couple more hours, do some more stuff. So that'll be the next video. And I'm hoping in that one, like, I find some stuff that, you know, might make the X3 wind up on the trailer. Like, haven't been in this machine in 4 months, and after driving a little bit, I've got the itch to flip the rich switch. So, and hearing X3s just makes me want to do that too. You hear that in the background. So appreciate your support in this matter. Thanks for subscribing, liking the videos. If you got friends and family that can also do that for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. Check out rrutvshop.com. Getting a bunch of nice stuff on there for your machines. If you don't see anything you need, email me. Chances are I can probably get it. And we'll see you in a couple days.